Just before the break, let's go back to our health report where we're looking at the fact that younger women are opting to do natural birth over cesarean sections. Here's TVJ Shamela Pullen.
Victoria Sharp Miller is a mother of 4. Mrs. Sharp Miller says she gave natural birth to 3 of her girls, but for the 4th child, she had to do a cesarean section. She says each experience for the natural birth was different, but went smoothly. However, the C-section was difficult.
Because even to breastfeed at night, it was quite a fight. Breastfeeding after a C-section, the energy was just not there. But with the natural birth, you find out that in a couple of weeks, like 6 weeks, you feel like you're back together again and everything is in order.
Consultant gynecologist Dr. Kathy Madan says approximately 60% of women are choosing natural birth over C-section. She says this is because natural birth is safer and less risky.
You'll be in bed for some time, you can get infections, you can get clots in the different veins, and in your future pregnancies, it can impact on how you deliver. It can impact on how your placenta or your afterbirth decides to implant. And so there are so many things that can happen because of a C-section. With a vaginal delivery, once it goes well, you go home in 24 hours and you are able to do most of your normal daily activities after that 24 hours.
However, Dr. Madan says that does not mean natural birth doesn't carry risks.
Some women don't dilate the way they should, and so their progress is slow and not in keeping with what the normal pattern of labor is. If that happens, then we either intervene with medication, or if that's not thought to be the best option, then we have to revert to a cesarean section.
But that's just rare. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.